Hi, Handmaiden Laura here, making a meat-free meal. 'Tis the season for meat-free meals because if you're Catholic, we're in Lent. If you're trying to be a little bit green, they say that adding one meat-free day to your week can really help reduce your carbon footprint. If you are worried about being friendly to animals, obviously not eating them is kind of nice. Here in this pan we have one sweet white onion chopped up and about 5 garlic cloves chopped up, and they're in olive oil, sauteing until they are nice and brown. To that, we are adding 1 chopped up jalapeno pepper and about 2 inches of chopped up ginger root. Once this is all sauteed together, I'm adding my little teacup of flavor. This has a teaspoon of dried mustard powder. This has a teaspoon of thyme. This has a tablespoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. It could really be any salt, but that's what I use today. And a teaspoon of black pepper. If you've got turmeric in something, don't miss the opportunity to use its anti-inflammatory properties by adding black pepper to activate it. And there is 2 teaspoons of this stevia erythritol granulated sweetener that I pick up at the store. That's what's in there. We'll stir that all together. To this I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of blackstrap molasses. Mother does a nice informational segment in her dog food video about the benefits of blackstrap molasses. Now I'm adding about 5 little sweet potatoes that I chopped up into the pot. It's time to toss in about a cup of whole kernel corn. We're putting corn in because this will have black beans added to it next. And corn mixed with a bean creates a complete protein. This can also be accomplished with rice, wheat bread. I'll probably serve this with rice and with cornbread, so that would have made it a complete protein anyway, but we add the corn right in the pot for anyone who might not be excited to try the rice or the cornbread. Now here I have a small bag of black beans. They were dried and I boiled them on the stovetop after soaking them in water for a number of hours. And I am going to add the contents of this pot to the beans. Most of the liquid that I cooked the beans in is still in this pot, and that's going to soften our sweet potatoes, our pepper. It's going to cook our corn. Now, my pot is a special pot that can be used on the stovetop and in the oven. If you don't have a pot that's good for both uses, you would want to put this mixture into a casserole dish that has a cover, because this whole situation is going into the oven next. And there it is, happy as can be in a 350-degree oven. It's going to sit in here for about an hour. Then I will pull it out, serve it over rice with some corn muffins or cornbread on the side. And, you know, a portion of the family will be happy. The other portion will be eating chicken nuggets and frozen pizza. This is what I feel like is an easy way to skip meat for the day. Let me know what you think. Click like and subscribe. I've got tons of vegetarian recipes. I love cooking without meat. So if you'd like some more ideas on that, follow us. If you'd like ideas on just about anything, we're documenting almost our entire lives here. My entire extended family. Join along. We'd love to have you. Peace. Bye-bye.